you're doing calisthenics, that body is still, you know, doing this thing. Oh, we're gonna talk more about it. Let's get another one. Set 3. All right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go again. Looking good. Looking good. We're gonna get back to that scripture. That's a good one. I want y'all to really marinate in that one. Let's go at 3, 2. We got close grip. Shout out to him. We're good. Don't always worry about going all the way up. Worry about, with this exercise, worry about them reps. Stay small on the rest. 3, 2, pump as much blood as you can into the muscle. So, like you see on there, you start getting tired towards the end. So as long as you come all the way down and always keep your body straight, like a pencil. Keep it straight. So, got some seconds. So, say never give up. This world is slowly deteriorating not just your body with the foods that they're doing, but it'll deteriorate your mind because the foolishness is going on in the world right now. So, no matter where you feel like you can't do it no more, and you feel like the devil is chasing after you, you feel like you can't win. That's why he said the first one. I said it twice. I said that first sentence twice because you never give up. Not just about you not giving up in school, not giving up on your health, not giving up with your husband or wife, giving up at your job. It's about never giving up on praising God and staying strong and staying a saint amongst all these demons out here. It's just serious out here. It's a mental game out here, man. It's a spiritual game. This world is full of good and bad. Evil, good. Our God against the devil. So it's either or. And it's hard for people to fight for good because that's the hard way. That's why it says never give up. Because a lot of people's not going to be on your side. Let's go again. Good. When you had that fuel of God, you can't stop. That's why I never stop. He got me up out of that hospital bed, so I knew I couldn't stop. Had to be here for a reason. Go again. Whew. I thought that was a good quote that my brother had of Tupac when he said, I feel the same way that I'm doing. That like I'm gonna change the world. But sometimes you gotta think of this, especially on this YouTube channel, that I might have at least one person that'll try to change the world. Do some stuff that I can't do. Again. Good, look good. One more, we gotta get the other hand. That's the hardest one. Because it eliminates a lot of that bicep. For the straight them lats. That's how you build that wide back. I'm trying to teach y'all something. That's how I build this back. A minute. I'm gonna run again. So, when you have a real big fight, make sure y'all seeing me, man. Sometimes the weather change up a little bit and the sun come in and out. Oh yeah, appreciate y'all. So, like I was saying, it's a forever challenge. This challenge never stops in the world, man. You can be tested every single day. I don't care what nobody says. People forget about all the other sins. Steal, kill. Those are the main ones that people say. Adultery, all that stuff. People seem to forget about the number one, I believe, other than they killing the babies and stuff like that, is what God talked about is gluttony is a sin.